how to log into Instagram using Facebook. So if you want to log into your Instagram using Facebook, then what you need to do is first, you just need to simply open up your Instagram application. And once you're on your Instagram, as you can see that these are the accounts that I have. I have Facebook accounts and Instagram accounts as well. So if you want to log in to your Instagram using your Facebook, then you will have this kind of interface. You will have the option like this. You can just simply tap on any one of these profiles and you'll be able to log in. But if you don't find your Facebook account here, then what you need to do is just simply go back and then open up your Facebook. After opening your Facebook, go with the upper right, which has that 3 horizontal lines, and then just scroll down, go with settings and privacy, and tap on settings. Now under settings, you need to go with the account center, which will be in the top. From there, you need to go with connected experience. Now here you will have an option of logging in with account. Tap on it, and then you need to go and allow all accounts to log into each other, like for example your Facebook and your Instagram. So go with the option and toggle it on. That's it. That's how you can log into your Instagram using your Facebook. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.